So let's check in with First Alert Chief Meteorologist Paul Heggen. Looked like she was in a snow globe for a little bit.
It did. I mean, I know it's great news for the Sierra once it kind of calms down and folks can actually get up there safely and not have to deal with all the traffic delays. But back here at home, Paul, it was amazing last night just listening to the wind and the rain. It was just so violent.
Yeah, but during the peak of it yesterday evening, and I live in the East Bay in Alamo, around 5, 6 o'clock or so, I've covered hurricanes before, and it kind of rivaled that in terms of the intensity, the way the wind was whipping the rain around. Not pleasant by any stretch of the imagination, and folks are still dealing with power outages. Let's take a look first at the lingering impact of the storm system in the Sierra, where Madison was stationed. They're still under a winter weather advisory around South Lake Tahoe. That's in the blue shaded counties. Also an avalanche warning that is in effect for tonight. And in the red shaded counties, still a winter storm warning through tonight, through the early morning hours tomorrow. Several more inches of snow, but then they're going to get into a lull. Another little burst of snow by midweek when we get another burst of rain, and then conditions look more favorable for maybe getting up to the Sierra and taking advantage of that fresh powder as we head into the next weekend. More on that momentarily. Some other rainfall numbers over the past 48 hours: about 1.5 inches of rain for Hayward and Dublin, 1 2/3 for Oakland Hills, 3 1/3 inches of rain in Pacifica, and over 4.5 inches of rain around Fairfax, and over 6 inches of rain in the Santa Cruz Mountains around Ben Lomond, which is right in line with what we expected. But unfortunately, we're hoping our expectations are maybe a little bit ambitious. This system delivered as expected with that burst of wind energy particularly. Still some lingering showers out there, some down the peninsula and into the Santa Cruz Mountains. More showers moving through Alameda County. Those are going to continue to drift to the north, and they should gradually die down as we head through the rest of tonight. And we do get into a little lull in the overall activity as we head through the first half of the day tomorrow. But the upper level center of the storm system is pretty much going to be right on top of us tomorrow. But there's enough energy with that we're going to see a few pop-up showers, maybe even a thunder shower tomorrow. Those should be pretty few and far between. But then another wave of shower activity is going to move in on Wednesday. This is going to be lighter, much briefer than the rain that we have just been through. Should not result in any additional flooding problems. But it is going to squeeze the atmosphere once again. Winds should be calm throughout the day tomorrow, starting to pick up as we head through tomorrow evening. Some 20 to 25 mile an hour gusts along the coast, approaching 30 miles an hour before the sun comes up on Wednesday. And then a little burst of wind energy once again as those showers move through. But talking about the strongest gusts, just over 30 miles an hour, a far cry from the widespread 60 mile an hour gusts that we had with the last system. And once those showers move through, maybe some lingering activity on Thursday, and then the forecast dries out. The rain chances disappear as we finish the work week and head into the weekend. A little thunder shower in the distance right now as we look out from Sutro Tower. Temperatures are in the low to mid 50s across the entire Bay Area. Those numbers will drop as we head through the rest of tonight. Most of us are going to end up in the 40s. Just a few locations, mainly for the North Bay, dipping down into the upper 30s. And then high temperatures tomorrow are going to make it up to at least within shouting distance of what's normal for this time of year. Upper 50s, close to 60 degrees in San Jose, but that 59 in San Jose is going to be the warm spot on the map. Most of us in the mid to upper 50s. Only 54 degrees for Livermore, one of the cool spots. But when the cool spot and the warmest location are only 5 degrees apart, not a whole lot of variation on the temperature map. And very similar temperatures are in store as we head through the rest of this week. For the most part, little baby warm up is in store for us by the time we hit the end of the week on Friday. And then we are going to be seeing more of a warming trend as we head into the weekend. The second weekend of February, whole different story. No rain chances in the forecast, and temperatures are actually going to warm up to around, maybe even above 60 degrees with low 60s in the forecast by Monday of next week. By the time President's Day weekend rolls around, we're probably going to be back into a more active pattern, but let's enjoy the break once it arrives.